33 বছরের দীর্ঘ কেরিয়ার দিয়েছেন একের পর এক সুপারহিট ছবি। দিলওয়ালে দুলহানিয়া লে যায়েঙ্গে, কুছ কুছ হোতা হে থেকে পাঠান, জওয়ান 3 দশক ধরে বলিউডে রাজ করেছেন বলিউড বাদশা। তবে প্রথমবার জাতীয় চলচ্চিত্র পুরস্কার পেলেন 2025 সালে এসে। সেরা অভিনেতা নির্বাচিত হলেন শাহরুখ খান। জওয়ানের জন্য তাকে সেরা অভিনেতার পুরস্কার দেওয়া হলো। পুরস্কার প্রাপ্তির কথা জানতে পেরেই ধন্যবাদ জানালেন কিং খান। নিজের সোশ্যাল হ্যান্ডেলে কি জানালেন কিং খান, আসুন জেনে নেওয়া যাক।
Namaskar and adab. Needless to say, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude, pride and humility. To be honored with the National Award is a moment that I will cherish for a lifetime. Thank you so much to the jury, the chairman and to the INB ministry and to everyone who thought I was worthy of this honor. I want to thank all my directors and writers, especially for the year 2023. So thank you Raju sir, thank you Sid, and especially thanks to Atlee sir and his team for giving me the opportunity in Jawan and trusting me to deliver and be worthy of this award. Atlee sir, this is like you say, mass. I want to thank my team and management which work tirelessly with me. They bear with me my eccentricities and impatience and give me their full attention and make me look much better than I am, like even now in this video. This award without their perseverance and love would not be possible at all. Thank you so much for everything you do. My wife and kids, who over the last few years give me so much more love and care, as if I'm the kid in the house and want only the best for me. They know my obsession with cinema takes me away from them, but they all bear it with a smile and allow me the time. So thank you very much for that. A national award is not just about achievement. It's a reminder that what I do matters. It tells me to keep going, keep working hard, keep creating, and keep serving cinema. In a world full of noise, to be heard, truly heard, is a blessing. And I promise to use this recognition not as a finish line, but as fuel to continue striving, learning, and giving back. ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए एक रिमाइंडर है कि एक्टिंग सिर्फ काम नहीं है, एक जिम्मेदारी है। स्क्रीन पर सच दिखाने की जिम्मेदारी। और सबके प्यार का मैं बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ। और भारत सरकार का इस सम्मान के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। And then lastly to my fans, thank you for all the cheers and all the tears, and really thank you for pausing your scrolling while watching my work. This award is for you, as each award is. And yeah, I would love to spread my arms for you and share my love, but I'm a bit indisposed. But don't worry, just keep the popcorn ready. I'll be back in theaters and soon on the screen. So till then, just with one hand. Ready.